fly in the sky. I can go twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book, a reading rainbow. I can go anywhere. Friends to know and ways to grow, a reading rainbow. I can be anything. Take a look, it's in a book, a reading rainbow. A reading rainbow.
Well, I don't have to cut it now.
That's true. Make sure you don't split it too. And it is wedged in there.
Wedge snapped right off, clean.
Yeah, you're good. It's split. It locked it in. It just didn't bottom out.
Good.
Popped up a little.
Did you not open that now? Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Don't have it there.
Don't do that.
I
You're
just
putting
got
yours
it.
on already. Oh, I put 4 screws. I should have just done 2.
Center. I did right there. I'm gonna hit it with the
That looks nice,
other
right?
one first.
How do you know you're not gonna go through the
I
tabletop?
like this.
Because
I measured mine first.
look at those short screws. They barely go through this.
Okay.
I measured mine.
So what'd you do? Drill a, oh, I see, you had a Forstner type thing?
Yeah.
I like his little cone.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Nice, right? Came out really
Little
nice.
rocket ship.
Yeah. I'm excited.
You happy with the way it came out?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. The salted caramel chocolate is really good, sweet. I didn't realize I would wait so long for the corn.
What are you gonna do on Thursday then? You're,
I'm gonna work on my box more.
oh, okay. Tomorrow I'll have guitar lesson, but besides that, I don't have anything to do but work on tables. I'll work on mine at home. Yeah, baby.
I need to see, make sure that one's still.
How'd you get this? How'd you get this in this corner?
Oh, see, it was a really deep chamfer,
Oh,
and it went around really nice.
yeah, it does look perfect. Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I was thinking about plugging these.
That'd be kind of cool.
Super thin though.
Super cool.
so you can also figure out what you want.
Awfully quiet out here. Jeff and Joanne are up to no good.
We're making his cleat with his table.
Oh, nice.
Pretty mahogany, right?
Yeah. See, look
Oh, you want to
here.
get my toolbox? I finally finished.
Did you get a grade?
Ooh, nice. No, he's coming down. It's
Let's
right
see
there.
here. I gotta finish mine. I'm gonna do it like on Thursday. Let's go see it. Sorry, there's too much going on at
Catch
once.
the shadows
That's all
and
right.
things. Look, like he said, with spoke shave.
Nice.
And then
right?
on this one, I kind of sanded
Oh,
and
I
put a
like
little.
it. I like it. Look how nice your shop is.
Yeah.
That's the little shop
There's
area
his
there.
tool chest back there.
Yep, hiding in the back. Ooh, there's that guy.
I like Nakashima.
You
If I
do?
drop
I don't
Sam,
like the chairs.
oh really? They're comfortable. They're comfortable.
What's going on?
You doing more dovetails?
Yeah.
Oh, you're still working on your box.
Dovetails.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me too.
I just have the dovetail blade.
Actually, that's the good thing about that. There's room all
Oh,
over
there's
the
the wife
house.
and the girls.
Nice.
Went up
They went
north.
on girls' weekend to the lake house.
You can't put them on your video.
I'm gonna put them on the video, Jeff. So
No, you're not.
they can see themselves.
Dude.
We don't know them, so we
Oh.
don't know if like they're
Yeah, we don't
his
know you
wife's friends,
guys.
so we don't know if they want to be on the video.
Who are they, Jeff?
Wife's friends from school.
We don't know if they want to.
Prepare to romulate. King Ramonitis. Don't be shy, get in there.
I'm gonna take picture with my toolbox.
Yeah.
Finally finished. Here it is.
Okay.
Finally finished the baby.
Very nice.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh man.
Finally finished. I just have two little fill-ins and I'm done.
Nice.
Yeah, I
Very
like
nice.
it,
I
right?
love it. I love
Came
your
out nice.
handle.
And my table's like 2 minutes from being done.
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
Wow.
I'm getting there.
Yeah.
I like the way the finish came out. The
Shiplap.
shiplap, yep.
Oh
The
yeah.
doors are.
She left some maker marks back here. All right.
Yeah.
And then finally, these are like, this is it. The others I didn't like. Yeah, I kept sending them back. I'm sure they think, oh, this is what this lady is sending me. But I do always want to put them out because I had it so long. Then you put them the other one I'm doing, I'm like the best. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ever. Where did you see
Oh,
this? Do you have
My gosh.
because of the toolbox?
Oh, I got the whole toolbox in the truck.
These knobs are just great.
Oh,
They're
can you show it to me?
antique panels.
Oh really? Where did you get them from?
Antique hardware. The house of antique hardware, whatever that is.
Like they're all gonna order it. Then when he told me how much, I was like, I can't do it. They're
It's
gorgeous.
only $187.99 or
They're
something.
beautiful. See his knobs. They're beautiful.
You did a great job on
Thank
the
you.
test.
Thank you.
Looks amazing. We're gonna go see Zach's.
Oh wow. Yeah, those are nice. Holy
They're
cow.
expensive. These were like 40 something a piece.
What?
Holy cow.
Wow.
Yeah, it ended up being like 185, 190, something like that.
I
Wow.
love them. I love them.
I got my knobs from Harbor
Sizes.
Freight. I spent probably like $10 on all of them. They look nice though. They're like wooden and
Yeah. Well, To say they're expensive. People
Yeah,
won't know.
yeah. My knobs were like $2,000 each.
No, I would not spend that much on knobs.
It's the rarest wood on earth. I don't even know what it's called. That's how rare it is.
It's called rare wood.
Legend has it that the angels brought it down from the heavens a long time ago. And now they're knobs on my tool chest. I almost like your legs better than mine for rocket ship legs.
That's exactly what I was thinking when I saw them. I'm like, oh my gosh, those are really rocket shaped.
Yeah. The thing I like about mine is the little thing I put, it looks like fire coming out the exhaust on the
Did you
bottom.
get these knobs on them?
Yeah, yeah. They look great.
You do get this knob. I'm telling you.
They look like Ethan's top to his shaker table. Oh, it's like stippled.
Yeah, yeah, it's
That
hammered.
leather look.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
What that reminds me of is a virus.
Yeah.
It's like all the depiction of
Like
academic
science class,
depiction
yeah.
of a virus. It looks like a virus.
Give it a big knobby head.
Yeah, that's what I thought after I had it there. I was
All
like,
right, so you got the virus table, I got the rocket table.
yep.
I really like your cleat too.
Yeah, it matches the tabletop.
Yeah. It's a lot of screws. I kept mine simple. I only have 2 screws in mine.
Well, I have 6 because
It looks good though,
6
like-
sides, 6.
Yeah. It looks nice and even.
Well, that's what the CNC will do for you.
Yeah. You're still turning over here, Jeff?
Just got to get this to fit in my cleat. See, that thing has to fit in this hole.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's too chubby right now. Very much so.
Excellent! After these messages, we'll be right back.